I tried the Bouclème Seal and Shield Curl Defining Gel, and when I tell you I was shocked, it's an understatement. Soft curls, insane definition, humidity didn't stand a chance, and it smells like Christmas in a bottle. There are only 3 gels that I know of that can hold my hair in place from day 1 to day 8 without refreshing, and this is one of them. When your curls still look defined a week later, you know this gel is for you. It's for me. This is what my hair looks like, straight out of the shower, no products. This was at the bottom of the box. I love it. Time to compare. On the left, that's my hair fully styled with Boucleme, this product, compared to no products. Now, my wash day was easy. Detangling was easy. I mean, I can't fault this product. Another thing I absolutely love about Boucleme is that it's plant-based, plant-powdered, curl care. Like, their function actually says our Seal and Shield range keeps humidity out and style, volume, and definition in. A strong hold styling gel formulated without glycerine to hold definition whatever the weather. I can assure you this is 100% correct. It's a stronghold gel, but from day 1, it doesn't have that hard crunch. First of all, let's talk about the texture. It's a gel, but it's sticky. It's not thick, not watery, and the smell. Baby, this smells like cinnamon, warmth and holiday vibes, like Christmas candles. Make it curly hair approved. Now onto the application. I applied this on wet hair. I did come out of the shower and my hair looks dry, but I re-wet it with a spray bottle with water and some oil, detangled with the Tangle Teaser brush. Then I raked the product through with my hands, or you can style with a brush. I was flipping between the two to see which gave me the best results. I landed on both. So I brush first, then I rake. As you can see, instant curl clumps, instant shine, and it was soft. I also did the pray and hands method last, in case I missed any hairs. Then I continued the same process for the rest of my head. It takes me about 20 minutes to do my whole head, but if I want the front to be more defined, which is what I did, I'll show you how I did that, it takes me about another 5 to 10 minutes. If you hate crunchy curls, this product isn't a hard crunch. So who is this gel perfect for? This gel is perfect if you struggle with frizz in humidity, want long-lasting definition, hate crunchy curls, love soft, shiny curls that last you all week. Whether you wear wash and goes, twist outs, or braid outs, this gel is a game changer. It lasted me from Wednesday to Wednesday. So say today's Wednesday, the whole week until next Wednesday, I didn't have to refresh my hair or my curls once. And the weird thing is that I could have kept going. Like, my curls still look defined on day 8. Only because it was my wash day, I was like, well, I need to wash my hair today. I don't have another day to do it. I just have to do it now. I also tried this out at Christmas when my curls needed to be top notch, going out, seeing family. You don't want to waste time doing your hair all over again. And it delivered each time I tried it. So the first time I was like, it's all right. The second time I was blown away. Like, this is one of the best products I have ever used. And that is saying something. You might be thrown off by the color because it is orange. So my fingers were slightly orange, but not like bad. After I washed my hands, it was all good. So just bear in mind, if you're wearing white when you're styling your hair, it's probably not the best option. It doesn't stain though. The minute you wash your hands or wash your top, it's gone. Like minimal frizz, just enough for the volume, just what it says. So you need a bit of frizz like under, but somehow the volume was there. My curls stayed clumped, and even in humidity, yes, humidity, my hair didn't puff up like it usually does. I live in England. It is humid most of the time. It has been extremely cold, but I had no problem. It lasted. My curls were like, oh, we're protected now. Oh, you fancy, huh? Humidity approved. I would like to try it in extremely hot weather though. So it's winter now and it's delivered. Hot weather, I don't know. But I'm sure it works. Another crazy thing is my curls are soft with no knots, no fairy knots. You know when you like put your hands in your hair and just try to see if there's any knots? Nothing. My fingers were just running through my hair. Like my hair was straight all of a sudden. Maybe my hair is very healthy at the moment. I've been cutting it, doing trims, doing all the good things you're supposed to, and it's paying off. I've only ever tried one of Boucleme's products, and this is it. I am sold. I would highly recommend this over and over and over again. Let's just talk about the crunch, okay? It isn't bad, but there is a slight crunch. So on day 1 or day 2, I do suggest you break the cast with an oil, like jojoba oil. That's what I used. And your curls will be soft for 8 days. What? Let me say that again. 8 days. No refreshing, nothing. The directions on the bottle actually say rake through wet hair with fingers. Apply in sections for even distribution. Style. Gel will dry firm. Yeah, it does. Once fully dry, scrunch to release soft, bouncy curls. On point. The Boucleme Seal and Shield Curl Defining Gel absolutely lived up to its hype. Soft curls, insane definition, long-lasting hold, and that cinnamon Christmas scent. It does smell good. The only thing is it's orange. You do see that orange, but that's a technicality if I gotta pinpoint something that's wrong, you know? Have you tried this product? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if not, let me know so I can give you a discount code. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.